Far away from roads, towns, and glowing windows, a small tent sat on top of a quiet hill where the world felt forgotten. The night had wrapped itself around the mountains like a giant, soft blanket. The wind moved slowly through the tall grass, making a gentle shh, shh sound as if the hill itself wanted everything to sleep. Inside the tent, a tiny lantern glowed with warm golden light. Your sleeping bag felt soft and cozy, and beside you sat a little metal mug of warm tea, sending thin curls of steam into the cool air. Outside, the campfire had become sleepy too. Its bright flames had shrunk into small orange embers that blinked lazily in the dark. Above you, the sky looked endless. Thousands of stars had gathered there, scattered across the darkness like tiny silver lanterns. Every now and then, one quietly slipped across the sky and disappeared. The hill seemed alive tonight, not in a scary way, but in a gentle, peaceful way. Somewhere far away, a little owl whispered to the night. Crickets sang their slow song. The trees down below moved together in the wind, sounding like waves on a hidden ocean. You pulled the blanket a little closer around yourself and listened. Wind, crickets, the soft crackle of the last campfire ember. Wind again. And slowly, it began to feel as if the entire hill had fallen asleep and had kindly saved a small, warm place for you inside its dream. Soon your eyes became heavier and heavier until the stars quietly kept watch for the rest of the night.